What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, the Bitcoin price is breaking down once again all the way down here to 65,000 US dollars. In today's video guys, I want to talk about exactly where I think the Bitcoin price is going to go. Should you be panicking right now, or should you be glued to the charts trading this movement? Guys, I want to talk about that in today's video. I want to talk about this massive break from the rising wedge right here all the way down to my price target, almost within a few $100s. And finally, I want to talk about this on the weekly chart, signaling exactly where the Bitcoin price is going to go, along with many other different things in today's video. Guys, as always, sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. All right guys, welcome back to another video, and thank you for joining me once again. As always, a massive special thank you to each and every one of you watching at home. It truly does mean the world to give back to you. and giving away $100 every single Monday. So drop your comments down below if you do want to enter. And as always guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy called Jack in his room sharing his journey in crypto. If you're from the UK, USA, or UAE, please do not watch or engage with my content. Guys, I am back. I'm sorry, I was very sick over the past few weeks, and then I traveled with crazy 11-hour jet lag. So the last week I've been sick and just in bed, recovering from sickness and jet lag. So unfortunately, I was not able to upload. However, a lot has changed. Of course, the 1 week that I don't upload, the whole market changes like crazy. Let's take a look at it, because right now it's looking really crazy. First of all, on the daily chart, we can quite clearly see here that we have a confirmed breakdown from this bear flag right here. And again, the price target for this is extremely concerning if you are in fact a bull out there, because from this breakdown here we can see the price target is approximately $42,000, $41,900, which is very concerning. Not only that, but right here on the daily chart right here, we can see we have almost reached this price target right here from this rising wedge. Some people in the comments a few weeks ago were saying that, or a few months ago, were saying that this rising wedge is not a rising wedge. Guys, if we are seeing a pattern on the chart, it does not have to be a perfect Picasso-like drawing on the chart for it to make sense. This wasn't the best rising wedge, of course. However, combined with the golden pocket right there, combined with this CME gap right here, which we still haven't filled, but I'll talk about that later. This, in fact, was a perfect move towards the downside for this rising wedge. And again, the target is usually the bottom of the wedge, approximately 65,000 US dollars, which pretty much we have, in fact, hit, guys. I would say that is a successful price move right there. But I want to talk about this as well, guys, because like I said previously on this chart right here, with the measured move down here to approximately 42,000 US dollars right here for the break in this bear flag. If we take a look at this chart exactly right here, we can start to understand why that would come into play. And also it has a cross reference right here with this exact Fibonacci retracement. So if we take a look at this, we can see back here on March 28th, 2022 right here, we had a breakout right there before the final leg towards the downside for the bear market. And this exactly has happened right here. Yes, we didn't break above the 0.382 Fibonacci right here, exactly like we did there. We didn't break it, but guys, it doesn't have to exactly match. Sometimes just rhyming is enough for it to in fact repeat. And again, we then saw a breakdown of the price, and right here of target from the breakdown was in fact the golden pocket right there. And again, our target right now, and still it's the golden pocket right there, between about 58,000 to approximately 54,000 US dollars. However, last time we did in fact see a break below this golden pocket right here, breaking down below it. We did range in this area for a little bit, even breaking back out, but then we dumped back down below, targeting exactly the 0.786 Fibonacci right there. And again, if we were to see that same target come into play, that would be exactly right here, putting the Bitcoin price at approximately 40,000 US dollars. Now, does this mean we are going to 40,000 US dollars compared with this Fibonacci chart right here, and over back here with this bear flag targeting approximately 40,000 US dollars? Well, honestly, I think personally 40,000 is a little bit low. It's not off the table, guys. 100% it is not off the table. However, I think it is a little bit low. If we bring up these moving averages right here, guys, we can see we've got the 200, the 250, the 300, and the 350. And I've been talking about this for months now, guys. This is my approximate bear market target right here for Bitcoin, for the Bitcoin price. And again, it's between approximately 60K right there to about 46K. Somewhere in that range, I think we are going to bottom. Unfortunately, I cannot give you an exact dollar amount where we will bottom. If I could, then we probably would be all very, very rich, which would be beautiful. However, I can't. So all I can give you is my best estimate. And again, the lower end right here, the 350 moving average is down at 47,000 right there. But if we go back onto the other chart right here, the lower end right here is sitting at approximately 40,000 right there for the Bitcoin price. So again, big targets coming for Bitcoin. I'm in fact not in a short position, guys. Unfortunately, I explained previously, I closed my short position because it was the wrong trade. It was on cross, not isolated. And of course, I wanted to add a little bit more initial capital to it. I closed it, I got sick, and unfortunately I missed this dump because I literally was not on my computer even once during this last week. It was horrible. And traveling as well, a massive 17-hour flight and 11-hour jet lag. Definitely a lesson learned. Set my market orders. You guys can learn from this as well. Set your market orders on the chart if you do in fact see that is going to dump down. But guys, if you did want to trade on Ubit, down below I do in fact have a massive VIP2 bonus for you. If you join using my link, you're going to get VIP2, which is amazing. And also you're going to get 25% off fees. And also if you deposit $100, you can get $100 as well. And down below, guys, I've added a simple Ubit tutorial as well. If you wanted to learn how to trade and use Ubit, the link is down below, guys. I really would appreciate you watching that. And of course, you can get some benefit from it as well. I want to talk about this because this is the liquidation heat map towards the upside. We do have around a lot, in fact 130 million of liquidation leverage up here at 78K. It's building right here at 74K, and again a little bit right here 120 at 72K. But something is even more exciting than that. Let me cover the funding rate because this is quite positive right now. So it's showing that the longs are still active right now, and potentially they could start to go underwater, and that positive liquidity, the positive funding rate could flip negative, and we could see a little bit of negativity coming into the market right here in the next few weeks. And if we take a look at this right here, the Bitcoin exchange liquidation map, we can see if we were to push up to these regions right here, approximately 77,000 US dollars, there will be over 9.2 billion or over 9 billion worth of liquidated positions right here for the Bitcoin price. This is absolutely ridiculous. And you can't tell me that these exchanges, market makers, aren't looking at that liquidity right there with green eyes, waiting for the price to go there. Of course they are. However, we can't just see a pump from 66K back up to that 80K range or 76K range. It doesn't usually work like that. So what do I think is going to happen over the next few days? Well, we can see right here that a lot of the spot Bitcoin ETF outflows are in fact accelerating, which definitely isn't good news. It's putting a lot of pressure. I do think we will start to see a further push towards the downside for the Bitcoin price. And again, if we were to see a push back to the upside a little bit and a rejection right here from the low 70s or the high 60s, that also wouldn't be off the table whatsoever. Guys, I'm back to regular uploads now. I really do appreciate it. Get the comments down below if you did enjoy this video, and hopefully you got some valuable information. As always, I'm not a financial advisor. If you're from the UK, USA, or UAE, please do not watch or engage with my content. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.